Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mega Gengar from Pokemon. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his ear or his horn on the left side with a curved line upwards, sharp turn downwards on the left with a curved line, extended slightly outwards and turn it back inwards diagonally at this lower point. Going back to the base of the ear at this lower point, a diagonal curved line to the right and upwards, sharp turn back downwards at that inner corner, and on the right side of that another diagonal curved line to the right and sharp turn downwards. Below that, I'm going to draw another diagonal curved line to the right and upwards, sharp turn back inwards with a curved line right there, and below that at the outer corner, I'm going to draw a line outwards, sharp turn diagonally in and down, copy the same shape again on the right side right here, and below that I'm going to draw a similar shape with a smaller size and another one at that corner. A line diagonally down to the right below that, and for his face I'm gonna draw his eyebrow on the right side with a diagonal curved line at that corner, and below that curved line I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the lower line of his eye from the inner corner right there, semicircular turn upwards at the outer corner. Inside of the eye on the left corner, I'm going to draw an oval shape and fill that in with black color. Surrounding that oval shape, I'm going to draw a line like that, and I'm going to leave a gap at this lower point. Copy the same shape of the eye on the left side right here. In the middle of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line up on both the left and right, and above that I'm going to draw an oval shape in the middle point right there, and another one inside of that and fill that in with black color. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw below the eye from the left a curved line across, turn it downwards in the middle point and back upwards at the side. And from the corner of the mouth, I'm gonna draw the lower line of the mouth with a curved line downwards, diagonal turn in, and I'm gonna leave a gap at that corner. Continue that curved line across to the left and turn it upwards on the left side of the mouth. Inside the mouth, I'm gonna draw his teeth in the middle point with a curved line downwards, and at the side on the left and on the right here, and another one at the outer corner. Now for his hand, at the side of the mouth, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards to that point, and from that point at this inner corner, a diagonal curved line to the left and upwards to that gap below the mouth, sharp turn downwards to that point, diagonal line up and to the left, sharp turn back down, semicircular turn across to the right, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the arms on the right side right here. Now for the left arm, basically a similar shape with diagonal curved line down and to the left, a spike at that corner with a curved line up, sharp turn back down diagonally, another smaller spike at that corner, turn it downwards, semicircular turn at this lower point, curved line across to the right, semicircular turn back up diagonally at that corner, and sharp turn back to the left and downwards, and turn it back upwards, and a diagonal line on the left side of that, and for the inner line of that arm, a curved diagonal line back to the side of his face. Now for his tail, on the right side of his right arm, I'm gonna draw a curved diagonal line upwards, sharp turn back down. On the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a similar bigger shape right there, and on the right side of that, another one, and a smaller one at that corner. Turn it downwards and semicircular turn to the left. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!